Hi, I am Dr. Manoj Kamath, Principal of Jnana Prabodhini Mandal Sri Mallikarjun and Sri Chetan Manju Desai College in Concord. Friends, you might have heard about the name of our college, and at this juncture, it gives me great pleasure to congratulate all of you for successfully completing your 12th standard, your SSC exams. You have completed the second important milestone in life, first being your 10th, now you have done your 12th standard. Now you are on the threshold for making a decision. And at this juncture, I take this privilege to proudly introduce Jnana Prabodhini Mandal Sri Mallikarjun College, one of the best college in the country. I repeat, one of the best college in the country, because India today, in the recent survey, which was concluded last month, has categorized us among the top 150 colleges in the country. And we have got this distinction for last 3 continuous years, where we rub our shoulders with one of the best colleges, some of the best colleges from the state of Goa as well. So, Jnana Prabodhini Mandal Sri Mallikarjun and Sri Chetan Manju Desai College is inviting you to be part of us, to be part of your lifelong learning and your lifelong association with some of the best and the finest teachers which we have in our taluka, with the best and the sophisticated infrastructure which we have been aiding for last 28 years. The hallmark of quality, hallmark of good institutional practices, this college has always been a torchbearer for education, mostly for the underprivileged, mostly for the poor, mostly for the marginalized students of this taluka. Friends, we offer in Mallikarjun College 3 different courses. One is BA Honors, Bachelor of Arts, where any student from science, commerce or arts can join. If you have passed your 12th standard from any of these 3 streams, you can join arts. We have Bachelors of Commerce against a honors degree, where your 12th standard commerce students can join. And we have BSc Honors with specialization in chemistry, one of the best field for getting professional advantage and job opportunities, at least in Goa. So with these 3 degrees, the best possible infrastructure, the best possible teachers, and your good friends, your seniors, almost 90% of them joining us, your bright sparks joining us, and they would be your batchmates with you all in the future. I invite all of you to join us in your journey for your graduation program. For the benefit of all of you who would like to make a choice of the career, what kind of subjects do I have in commerce, arts, science, what will I be after I become a graduate? You can see some of our videos which can be uploaded or which will be uploaded by some of our faculty members on your respective WhatsApp groups which we have created. And those videos are about choosing a career in commerce, choosing a career in arts, as well as choosing a career in science. So respective students can choose the subjects of their choice and can watch the video and can learn more. You must understand from today, that is from 20th of July, we have started, all colleges in Goa have started with the online admissions. So that means admissions are going to be only through online mode. There is not going to be sale of any prospectus, but you have PDF copy of prospectus given to you free of cost. So please avail the benefit. If you have not got it, ask some of your colleagues, some of your friends, your classmates, some of them might have got it, and you can freely forward it. The link for your online registration for doing your application in Sri Mallikarjun College is also available. You have to go on the website, and in case you have some difficulties, you can see one more video created by our college, how to do your college admissions online with us, made by our system administrator Rahul Desai. In addition to this, while doing your admissions, if you encounter any problem or payment problem or any other problem, infrastructural problem, Wi-Fi problem, I invite you to at once come to college at any time between 9 to 2 or between say 8:30 to 2:30. So I wish you all the best for the future, and I'm waiting to welcome all of you in our college. Thank you.